You know, you have a great product when you don't buy it just once or twice, but you bought it 12 times like I have over the last few years. This is a product that has become a staple in my kitchen. And I'm 77, so I really rely on this product to help me with my nutrition. It's very reliable, it's very high quality. This is what's called Maine Coast Sea Vegetables Organic Dulse Flakes. Now, you may not be familiar with what dulse is. It's harvested from the cold North Atlantic, the Gulf of Maine, and the east coast of the United States, sustainably harvested by hand. And they've been doing this since 1971. So they are maintaining the ecosystems of our coastal waters, which is really important to me. But what's really important too is that they are highly recommended by health professionals, and I am a nurse as well, so I really look for quality products like these organic dulse flakes. Why is that? Because they have iodine in them, they have protein and minerals. They're easy to use. These are flakes, so it's easy to measure. I put them on my salads. I just sprinkle it on my salads, or I put them in my soups. I put them even in smoothies or breads. They give a nice little umami punch. They don't smell fishy. It has a very mild flavor, but it is natural. So they give that food extra nutrition without overpowering the flavor of whatever it is you're using. So another wonderful plus about this is that it's not only versatile, but it's from a trusted company. So it's certified organic, it's sustainably harvested by hand, nutrient powerhouse, vitamins, minerals, iodine, protein. And no wonder I bought this over a dozen times, and I plan to keep using it. And I really recommend that you incorporate this into your daily diet as well, for you and your family. You'll be so glad that you did.